All right, boat 29, you have Hunter Robertson and Caleb Truesdale from North Seabird with 5 fish, and they are weighing a big fish. Another nice big fish. 4.67 on big fish.
I said, thank you, Richard. He said, I ain't done nothing. I said 10 and a half, whatever.
I think we got a new leader.
Yeah.
12.58 pounds.
Yeah. There you go, guys.
Next up, boat 36, you have Berkeley Wright from Brunswick Academy with 5 fish. There he is wearing a big fish. I'll take 5 of them. 2.97 a big fish.
Good to your right. Go that way a little bit. Go that way so you're in front of the banner. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Hold them out and smile.